For this video, I would like to demonstrate to you how to reclassify an error that is returned by a TrueSight synthetic script. This is a feature that became available in TrueSight Presentation Server 11.3.02. There may be times when a synthetic script returns an error that you will want to have classified under a different type. For instance, you may want to reclassify an execution error to an availability error or vice versa. This change will be made at the T-agent level, so it will affect all synthetic scripts that are running under this agent. If you have multiple agents running in a single location, then you'll want to make this change on all the agents due to the fact that the synthetic script may run on any of them. Allow me to demonstrate how to do this process. You will first want to open your TrueSight Presentation Server and locate the exact error that you want to have reclassified. For this example, we are going to use the error Browser Engine 32 Internet Request Failed. Currently, this is listed as an availability error, and for the purposes of this demo, we are going to reclassify this error to be an accuracy error. To get started, we will first want to open the link to the BMC documentation. From this link, you'll be able to download the inventory list that will list out all of the possible errors in Silk Performer. Once the file is downloaded, open it using Excel. Since the error is a Browser Engine 32, we will look at all of the 32 error codes in the message ID field. Our goal is to match one that has a similar message to what is in our current error. For our error that we want to reclassify, the message Browser Engine iExplorer Request Failed is a good match. You will want to remember the message ID and the facility ID from this row. Back on the T-agent server, you will need to stop the T-agent. If you are running the agent as a service, then this will need to be done via the Service Manager screen. Our agent is running as a process, so we simply need to close the command prompt window to stop the agent. Once the agent is stopped, locate the error reclassification.csv file located under the comp folder and edit it using a text editor. You will want to add the facility ID, message ID, and how the error is to be reclassified in this file. Save the file and close it. Now restart the T-agent. Any scripts that run from this point on will now be subject to the new change. To see the change, go back into your TrueSight Presentation Server. You will remember that before we made this change, there were two availability errors. Now the script is run again and we have an availability error and an accuracy error. If you look at the errors on the page, you can see that our Browser Engine 32 error is now an accuracy error. Please remember that if there are multiple agents assigned to this location, then you will need to make this change to all agents. Also, this change will affect all scripts that are running on this agent. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you found it useful in understanding how to reclassify the errors for your synthetic data in TrueSight Presentation Server 11.3.02 and newer.